Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a very simple concept and very easy concept from the chapter Surface Areas and Volumes, exercise 13, question number 3. In this question, the people are digging the well. From the well, they are taking the sand and spreading over the platform. It is given well, and after spreading the sand, it forms a cuboid and it rises the some height because we are pouring the sand on the platform, so it rises some height. So we need to find height of this platform after spreading over equally the sand on the platform. We should find height of the platform. From this question, they given height of the well. So height of the well is given 20 meters and diameter of the well is given 7 meters. So they given area of the platform. So length is given 22 meters and breadth is given 14 meters. So these measurements are given. So we need to find how much rise the platform after spreading the sand equally. For that, we need to know two formulas. One formula is volume of cylinder and another formula is volume of cuboid. So volume of cylinder, we know that pi r square h, area of the base into height. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So to solve this, I am using these two formulas. Volume of sand taken out from the well is equals to volume of sand spread on platform. Shape of the well is cylinder. So the given measurement depth or height of the cylinder is 20 meters. Diameter is given 7 meters. Radius is nothing but half of the diameter. So 7 by 2 meter is radius of the cylinder well. Area of the platform is length into breadth, that equals to 22 into 14 meters. Length is given 22 meters and breadth is given 14 meters. So here volume of soil dig from the well be equals to the volume of soil scattered on the platform. So volume of soil is nothing but volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder formula pi r square h. Volume of cuboid formula, because it forms a cuboid after spreading the sand. So area cuboid formula, area of the platform into height of the platform. So I am using pi r square h and L into B into H. Volume of cylinder and volume of cuboid. So volume of cylinder we know pi r square h. So in that I am substituting well dimensions. So R value is 7 by 2 whole square into H value given 20. That equals to area of the platform is length is given 22 meters and breadth is given 14 meters into height. So to find height, I am sending 22 and 14, 22 into 14 to the left hand side. So it will divide. So here I am substituting pi value 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square value 49 by 4 into 20 by 22 into 14. I am simplifying numerical values. 7 ones are 7 sevens are 22 and 22 cancelled. 7 ones, 7 twos, 4 ones are 5, 4 5s are. So after simplifying the numerical values, we got 5 by 2 meters. So 5 by 2 meters, that equals to 2.5 meters. So after spreading equally the sand, the platform rises 2.5 meters height.